Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is different because it is about strings, okay? But it also has an element of arrays as well, which we'll be using. But basically this question is about string, and it is quite a simple one. The question is really simple. We are given two things right now. One is string s and other is an integer k, and we need to return a new string with k first words, okay, first k words. Like if k is 4 in this example, you will see first, second, third and fourth. So these four words we need to return. Now one another thing we need to take care is we don't have any space before and after of our first and last word, okay? So like without spaces we have to return that. So the question is really simple. Let's dive straight into the code. That is going to be a little different because we'll be using a lot of string functions, okay? And one another thing that we'll be using is string builder, okay? If you're not aware about string builder and string buffer, I would recommend that you go and learn that first, okay? Because that comes very handy when you are solving questions where memory is critical. Because when you concatenate on a string, okay, a new string is formed, okay, instead of just a concatenation. So because of which there is a lot of extra space or extra memory is used, which is not the case when we are working with string builder. So anyway, let's start with the code. So first let's create a new temporary string array, okay? Now how will we create this? Okay, from our given string s, we will split all the words given based on the space, okay? So how that happens is s dot split, okay, and the thing with which we want to split our string into arrays, okay? So wherever now this space it will come, okay, it will generate a new string at that particular index, okay? If we had given, instead of space, we had given some other thing like he, so for example, so whenever the string will encounter an he, it will create a new value in that array. But here we will give this. Now we need our string builder as well, because we will be concatenating our k words into our result, right? So let's create that string. Okay, our string builder is ready now. Sorry. Now we need to append k words in our string builder. So I'll go from I less than k, okay? So my string is result. I will append word at ith position, no, not word, temp at ith position, okay? And after this, if you will see here, we need to return our s with like the result with a space between two words. So I will append a space as well, okay? Now our result, it's a string builder, not a string. So if you will look at the return type, it is string. So we need to convert our string builder to a string, okay? So what I will do is return result dot to string. Now one more thing, after the completion of this whole loop, we will have one extra space at the end. We need to remove that. So for that we'll use trim function, okay? So let me submit this. Okay, so it is that easy. Now obviously there are multiple methods with which you can solve this. This is just one of the method. You can go into the discuss section and see different ways with which you can solve. Right now we are solving it in 2ms. If you can see, I have solved earlier in 0ms, 1ms. Okay, so there are multiple ways with which you can solve this question, but we are right now focusing only on one way. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do let me know if you have any suggestions, queries, or any problems that you want me to solve from any other platform. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.